Before I start this project, I'd like to show you what my room looks like before and what my room looks like now. To begin, I can screw the battens onto the wall, which will later on allow me to glue the floorboards to them. To assure the hole in the wood and the hole in the wall align, I used a wood drill bit to drill through and mark on the wall, which I could then later use a masonry drill bit to drill the hole in the wall to the right depth. So after screwing on the wood battens, I needed to cut the floorboards to the right length. There were 4 main lengths of board, 2 short with opposing connections on either end, and 2 long boards, with one being as the floorboard comes and the other having one end trimmed flush. I could then cut the 2 battens that would allow me to hang my Marston sign in the middle of the wall. And then I could finally move on to painting the 2 side beams. And finally, after installing the LED light strips,
We'll be right back.